So what are those inflammatory backaches? You have the standard. Now, by the way, this SSA, I used SSA because all of you are tuned to SSA, but now they have changed it to SPA, removing the S in between and making the P small. So, spondyloarthropathy, seronegative to hai hi, matlab, so why say seronegative? So, spondyloarthropathy. So, they write SPA. So, a lot of times you will be wondering why SSA abhi kahin nahi dikh raha hai, because they have changed it to SPA and P being small. So, spondyloarthropathies. So you have the standard ankylosing spondylitis, you have the Reiter's. Reiter's, by the way, can be post-urethritis and post-diarrheal also. Lot of times we find that Reiter's or urethritis क्यों नहीं है? But they might have had a Shigella or a Campylobacter diarrhea once and then they just started with the Reiter's. So, हाँ, एक मिनट, just a moment. Where is the mic? हाँ.
What is the time duration from post arthritis urethritis to development of the Reiter's syndrome?
So that is very variable, and in fact, you don't. The classic thing is supposed to be urethritis, then conjunctivitis, then arthritis, but it doesn't happen. We've seen this happen either way, meaning it can happen. The joint is come first, then the urethra, then the eye. Sometimes the eye, then the urethra. Then so I don't think you always have to get that classic connect, but the variation could be huge from few days to many weeks, up to 3 months you can have. In fact, in psoriatic arthropathy, it is said that first psoriasis, then arthritis. We had one case which we treated as RA because there was no sign of anything else. No sign of anything else. We were like deep going into that, and patient coming, going, coming, going. Proper RA everywhere else. Then one day she came up with some gynecological problem. She was given some small surgical procedure which was needed, and she developed a little allergy to some drug. Post that, everything that came was psoriatic. And then we talked to rheumatologists and they said that we have seen this happen. Psoriatic arthropathy can have arthropathy first and psoriasis coming up later. Now, these are rarities, but it doesn't, I mean, you can't have a rule that no, if, because RA is this way that inflammatory arthropathy, when there is nothing else, it is RA that way. You understand? Meaning, if you have a psoriasis, then it becomes psoriatic arthropathy. Or if you had urethritis and all, then it becomes a seronegative arthropathy that way. So, I'm talking of clinical diagnosis. Huh? I'm not talking of biopsy related diagnosis.